Hello, how are you? Fine? Sounds great. Today we are going to work in our grammar part. Before we are going to work, I'm sorry, but before we are going to sing, okay? Vamos a cantar. So stand out, please. Párate, por favor. Listen, escucha, and move your body, okay? You are going to put your finger in your nose, in your mouth, in your ear, and in your eyes. Okay, excellent. Okay, here we go. Okay, listen, sing, and move your body.
Boys and girls, get ready. Put your finger on your nose. Put your finger on your nose, on your nose. Put your finger on your nose, on your nose. Put your finger on your nose. We'll see how long it grows. Put your finger on your nose, on your nose. Put your finger on your mouth, on your mouth. Put your finger on your mouth, on your mouth. Put your finger on your mouth. Make it go both north and south. Put your finger on your mouth, on your mouth. Put your finger on your ear, on your ear. Put your finger on your ear, on your ear. Put your finger on your ear, and we'll see what you can hear. Put your finger on your ear, on your ear. Put your fingers by your eyes, by your eyes. Put your fingers by your eyes, by your eyes. Put your fingers by your eyes. Can you show a big surprise? Put your fingers by your eyes, by your eyes. Now, put your finger on your finger, 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 your finger on your finger, on your finger, on your finger.
Excellent. Okay, very good. After to sing and to dance with the song, we are going to continue working in my face. Remember, we have hair, eye, ear, teeth, mouth, nose, and eyebrow. Okay, we work on this page 66 and in the page number 67. Okay, remember that we have to work in the word bank with the words in the word bank to complete this. Okay, and to complete this other part, remember that you have to draw the missing parts of the face. Okay, and then draw a line to correct the correct part of the face on the right. Okay, de esta manera te tuvo que quedar. Remember to paint your to paint this picture. Okay, very good. Pinta esta fotografía. Okay, very good. We are going in that case to work in the page number 68. Page number 68. Okay, now I know that you are an expert to this topic, okay? On each face, en cada cara, draw the part that corresponds to the word below it. Dibuja la parte que corresponde a la palabra que está abajo. Okay, we have ear, hair, eyebrow, okay, eye, los dos ojitos, no solo uno, okay, nose, mouth, teeth, and all parts of the face, todas las partes de la cara. Excellent. Look at the picture. Second exercise. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. Mira las imágenes y completa las oraciones. I brush my. Ok, lo escribes acá. She has long. Ok. It has round blue. Okay, excellent, very good. Okay, this is the homework for this week. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know by platform or by email and I'm going to give you assistance. And remember, never stop dreaming. Nunca dejes de soñar. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Goodbye.